Hi there, good morning everybody. So this is Buckrad04. I just wanted to show you guys a quick recap of what has turned into my favorite setup or my favorite pattern. So a quick history of my trading background. So I've been with Bear Bull Traders for about 5 months now. I was in Sim for 4 months, so I've been trading live for a few weeks, and you can see I'm trading CMEG right now. The reason why I picked them is I'm trading a very small account, a very small share size. So this is how I wanted to start off. Start off slowly, gradually build myself up. So I just wanted to show you today, I traded, well, you can see CAT on my screen. So I was trading CAT and TXN at the same time. So TXN was on my second screen. So I brought this over to show you guys what has turned into my favorite setup. So one of the things that, well, one of the many things we've learned through this community, one thing that's really stuck with me is that Peter says to not short strong stocks, especially at the open. So that's become one of my rules. So I saw that TXN had gapped up, it was on our gappers list, and I knew I wasn't going to short it. So my favorite setup is I look for a strong stock to sell off just slightly at the open. You can see here it kind of lost VWAP for just about 3 minutes and it slowly started gaining steam. So that's when I really started watching it. So I include that rule and another rule that I use, something that William and Kurt preach, is I look for harmonious charts. So I want to see VWAP and my moving averages all below my entry for right now. Right now, I feel like I'm not a strong enough trader to trade reversals or double tops or double bottoms. Hopefully someday I'll get there, but for now, I'm trading with trends and with everything below or above me as support or resistance if I am going short. So I saw TXN break all the support. I got in, and it's been going really strong pretty much all morning. So another thing I've been working on is not partialing too soon. So I had a very small risk here at VWAP. So I wanted to start partially. I took half at about 2 to 1, and then you won't see it here, but I did hang on to it for a little bit longer. I got a full dollar move out it before I finally closed out my entire position. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this real quick here, just incorporating little bits and pieces that we talk about in the community. I try to incorporate all those little things into my daily trading. So thank you guys.